Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang energies for you ngayong New Moon in Gemini sa May 27, 2025 at 11:02 a.m. Philippine time. Ayan. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so let's see, Pisces. So for you, Pisces, itong New Moon in Gemini is happening in your 4th house of your family, your home life, your house. So some of you, pwedeng may bagong bahay. Ayan, maaring lilipat kayo ng bagong bahay, or parang i-reset nyo yung bahay nyo, magkakaroon kayo ng general cleaning or rearrangement ng mga furnitures, or maaring meron kang bagong pagkakaabalahan sa bahay mo. Pwedeng may bago kang libangan, meron kang bagong inspiration ngayon, no? Especially in making money, kasi meron positive aspect to sa 2nd house mo, which is about your finances and sources of income, your assets, yung talents mo, yung skill set mo. So pwedeng meron kang mga iniisip ng mga bagong ideas, kasi Mercury is about your thoughts, your ideas, your communication, yung mga pag-aaral. So maaring meron kang pinag-aaralan na bagong pagkakakitaan na pwede mong magawa kahit nasa bahay ka lang, or yung iba naman sa inyo, meron kayong inspiration ngayon to add a new source of income. Like for example, may kinalaman to sa real estate. So yung iba sa inyo, magbebenta kayo ng bahay, ng lupa, or ng mga properties that will increase your assets. Oo. So meron din tong positive aspects sa inyong 12th house, which is about yung inyong subconscious. So nandito ka sa manifestation skills mo. I think you are manifesting growth, manifesting new sources of income, manifesting a new living situation or living condition. Pwedeng andun ka sa point na you're really tapping into your talents, your skill set, yung mga abilities mo. Your 12th house is also about discovery. So maaring meron kang dinidiscover tungkol sa sarili mo, yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa na-explore sa yung kakayanan. Some of you is also going through healing, no? So kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng financial issues or nagkakaroon ng financial struggle, so around this time you are healing your financial struggle or issues. Kumbaga meron ka mga ginagawa ng paraan, mga practical na pamamaraan para ma-resolve mo yung iyong issue sa finances mo. Some of you naman, pwedeng kung hindi ka pa nag-explore ng spirituality mo, you may be exploring your spiritual talents, your spiritual gifts. Pwede kasing ikaw ay spiritual healer, or meron kang psychic abilities na pwede mong gamitin sa isang creative work. For example, tarot reading, astrology reading, palm reading, or anything esoteric or different forms of divination na pwedeng tumulong sa ibang tao. And at the same time, you will also gain or attract abundance sa mga ginagawa mong yan. Okay? So let us clarify, what is the 4th house energy for Pisces? You have the 6 of Swords and the Ace of Swords. So meron kang new idea. Yes, new idea to create money or to start a new, pwedeng starting a new business rin to, or parang meron kang, you are moving forward. You are moving to a new direction. Okay? So, maaring, iba sa inyo, lilipat talaga ng bahay literal, or lilipat ka ng pinagkakakitaan mo na kahit nasa bahay ka lang. So, pwede rin tong work from home setup for some of you. Or you are learning new ways to make money at home. What is the energy of the 2nd house? You have the 10 of Wands and the Death card. Oh my God. So, Pisces, meron talagang major transformation sa iyong finances. Maaring may matatapos or magi-ending or meron kang ili-let go na isang source of income, trabaho, na para sa'yo nakakapagod ng gawin or hindi na worth it for you and you feel like parang it's burdensome na nagiging dahilan na para hindi mo ma-enjoy ang life mo. Baka yung iba sa inyo masyado ng workaholic or masyado ng drained or nasa na kayo, parang toxic situation na kayo sa trabaho nyo or whatever this is that you are working on. So, sa ngayon, meron kang sinisimulan. Meron ka, parang transition period. Okay? So, for example, meron kang trabaho ngayon. At yung trabaho mo na yan ay may pagka-toxic. Pero, hindi mo naman yan basta-basta iiwanan na lang na, okay, magre-resign na ako and then kinabukasan saka ka hahanap ng trabaho. Gradually yan, magta-transition ka. So, hindi ka papasok ka pa rin sa trabaho and at the same time naghahanap ka na ng ibang source of income. It's either bagong trabaho or meron kang gagamitin mo yung skill set mo to create money, like for example magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong negosyo, ganyan, or mag-o-offer ka ng mga services. So, binabalanse mo yung transition na yan, ina-explore mo yung bagong opportunity na yan, and once na alam mo na ito ay stable na, saka mo bibitawan yung isa na alam mong hindi ka na masaya. Okay? So, let's see what is the 12th house. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, maaring nagkakaroon talaga kayo ng major spiritual awakening. You are realizing na meron pang ibang mas mahalaga sa inyo kumpara sa kung ano yung meron ka ngayon. Oh, you have the world. Grabe, merong talagang realization for you. You have the Justice card. You are seeing the truth. Nakikita mo na yung katotohanan para sa sarili mo, para sa gusto mo, sa pangarap mo. And with the World card, this is about ending a chapter of your life and starting a new chapter. You have the Moon in Pisces in the 12th house. I think mas nagtatap ka ngayon sa instinct mo, sa intuition mo. Hinahayaan mong ito ang mag-lead sa'yo sa mga goals mo or sa path na gusto mong tahakin. Some of you are really focused on your career, your business, na at the same time, mas may oras ka rin sa family. So, pwedeng work from home setup yung i-explore mo. Or yung iba naman is online business wherein nasa bahay ka lang din. Yung iba sa inyo to focus on your family. Look at the bigger picture. Yes. So ngayon, mas lumalawak rin yung iyong pananaw sa buhay, yung iyong pananampalataya sa sarili mo, sa Diyos, at sa kakayanan mo. Open up to change. Oh my God. Oh. Ito na, Pisces. Open up to change. You are definitely opening up to a new beginning related sa home life, family life, sa iyong sources of income. And you are finally realizing your worth. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.